I'm going to show you how to use this Bluetooth transmitter to listen to a Playaway audiobook using Bluetooth headphones. The first thing that you need to do is power the device on by pressing and holding the power button on the side for 2 seconds. It will automatically go into searching mode when it is powered on, but you need to make sure that you are in transmitter mode instead of receiver mode. That's what this TX means. If you were in receiver mode, you would switch back and forth using this toggle on the side between TX and RX. So this is in receiver mode, and now we're back in transmitter mode. I'll go ahead and plug this into the Playaway so that it's ready to go. The aux port is on the narrow side. So you just plug that in like wired headphones. Next, you will need to put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. For styles like this that are worn in the ear, usually you just have to take them out of the case and they will automatically go into pairing mode. Most over-ear headphones have some kind of switch on them to turn them on. You will usually have to disconnect from other devices in order to get them to be in full pairing mode here. So I'll go ahead and take these out to enter pairing mode. You can see it is searching and you're waiting for your device name to pop up. There is my device, so you just tap the power button once to confirm. Then it will say connecting, and once you see your device name here, it is ready to go. So you can use any of these controls to control the Playaway. To control your volumes, you can either use these buttons on the side of the Playaway itself or this knob on the transmitter. With that, you are all set. Happy listening.